city tours of a South Florida condo building here in Brickell, Miami, Florida. Ooh. These are Thyssenkrupp Aurora. Let's go up to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you're at 10. I should like to grip a roll up Fixtures. Probably just 7 now. Let's go down. Now we get the other one. Thyssenkrupp Aurora. I haven't seen these before in Maryland. But that's about the view. Ooh, I see more condos here. We are constructing this building. I like this view so much. How many Thyssenkrupp Auroras am I ever going to find? Good question. Everywhere, maybe. They like the. I think they like the one. They're different from the ones in. From one in Maryland. Yeah, the one in the Denton, Maryland. Best Western. I feel that. But who knew? I have no idea which one am I going to get. Oh, here it comes. I think it's this one. Ah, what the? This lantern is crooked. Gee. Look at these guys. They're tall, you know. I like them. These certificate right there. Emergency phone. And the capacity is 2,500 pounds. 4, 3, 2. Anywhere G. Let's lantern it. Be straight. Unless you put glue on them. But that one too needs glue. Let's put glue on it. Bunch of glues. And that's it.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.